So last night I had a blunder where I got intoxicated off of alcohol.
That is smooth. That is way too fucking smooth.
Oh, good God, I see what you're saying.
That is way too holy shit, man.
Oh.
And spilled liquor on my keyboard. Woke up this morning and found out that my Razer keyboard was not functioning correctly. As a result of this, morning, I'm going out to get a new keyboard, but I ain't doing it normally. I'm doing it with Metra. Welcome aboard Willie Goat's Transit Time. This is a commuter rail transit trip between Grays Lake and Lombard. Enjoy the ride! I'm having some sort of conversation with an individual who lives out in Lombard, Illinois. Hopefully he responds to me within the coming hour. And if he does not, then I do have some contingency plans of going to Chinatown, getting fortune cookies, maybe going to Rick and Betty's for lunch. We'll see about that. Okay, here she is, the knight in shining armor that'll whisk me away to downtown for a 20-minute connection to the UP West line. Coming up to Roundout. Oh, there's a new signal bridge that'll go up. There's a signal bridge on Asgard up. It's the old tower, boarded it up. Roundup for you. Going slow by the old trailer lot. There's the old B&M one. Well, I made it. Mac leader on my train right now. I think that's a westbound train going, or west line I mean. But yeah, that'd be westbound. I got a 10-minute time frame to make the train out to Lombard. The guy who has the keyboard hasn't gotten back to me yet, which, fair. But I'd like to get the keyboard if I can. And if not, when I get to Lombard and he hasn't messaged me, I'm gonna go find a thrift store and get a keyboard there, I guess. But that all hinges on if I can even make my train, which if I don't, then maybe I can go to Chinatown and kick the gong around, I don't know. Made it with about a minute or two to spare. Alrighty, this bug's for me. Racing a Milwaukee District West line, it's probably gonna... Oh wait, no, that's the North Line train. They might be slowing down for us, since they have to slow down anyways to get through 82, but we really don't. Oh, ticket time. Oh yeah. Here we go, for the winner, chicken dinner. Mr. Fungi. Okay, thank you, Royce, Karen. Oh, I made it to Lombard. Oh, someone's taking a video of the train. Good for them. Even though it's more geared towards vintage, I'll still stop at this odds and ends place if it's open. No luck in that store, but they got a lot of good vinyl. Maybe we'll go back there later, as in a different day, and try and see what good vinyl I can take home. There should be another thrift store right down the street here. Here it is. Purple Manatee resale shop. Oh, they got a Jeep shirt in the window. Hopefully they got a electronics section, but if not, once again, I'll walk out to the Goodwill, since I'm not getting a message from the guy who's selling a keyboard out here. This place is huge, and this is only the back room. I haven't even looked in the front room, but I'll look there. No luck on getting a keyboard in that place, but it was a nice resale called the Purple Manatee. But I just walked out of there, the gates just went down. I shall now take my journey all the way out to the fine stores of Goodwill, which is all the way out on Roosevelt. But let's see what train's coming through. Oh yeah. Here's something that's getting rare. Wonder where that's going. CSX. And one on the tail and overall. The manifest. I do like how Lombard has this little bit of Ireland kind of in its town. Painted murals of Guinness. You don't see that everywhere. Usually they've got the posters on the inside, not actual painted images of like an elephant giving its rider a beer. Look at how jolly he is. Both of them. So nice. After I go to where I'm going for the keyboard, I'm gonna go to Dairy Queen on the way back. It's a vintage one, so you know it's good. Man, 70 years ago, this was an interurban service, the Chicago, Aurora, and Elgin. Oh, they even got a sign showcasing the station. Because, yeah, they had a station somewhere around here. They served Ovaltine, which was, I think, a little bit in that direction. It's sad that it's all gone. Now it's just a bike path and someone's got a lemonade stand. You know, I was gonna say that the garden of this House of Windsor was super cluttered, but then there's a sign that essentially says it's all wild and native, probably. I mean, I've never seen morning glory rise up on a plant like that. That's awesome. This is a cool place. I like this garden. 10 out of 10. Stopped into this mobile gas station, and the convenience store, they got frickin' Taiwanese and Japanese Lays. I only came in for water, but now I got 2 bags of foreign Lays. They got one I got one that's in here behind us that's a Texas grilled barbecue. I'm probably gonna put that one in the bag and try the chicken skewer one. But I mean, what the heck? That's 2 times now where I've gone out to do something and I've come to a gas station and it's like just random Japanese potato chips. It is certainly peak garage sale season. I've passed by at least a dozen garage sale signs. And I've seen 3. There's like literally one right down the road there. I'm not stopping there though. I'm almost at Roosevelt, which means I'm almost at where I need to go. to get a keyboard. Just one to last me for a couple weeks, you know? Oh, that's a nicely designed garage sale sign. I like that. It's got Scooby-Doo on it. Really nice little art project. Oh, you can't see it on this side. Wait, it's got a different one. Oh, a different doggy. I like that. Very cute. Side quest, the cell phone repair joint right there. I think I'll go there and get my screen protector fixed, since my screen protector's really messed up. Hang on. Let me show you this. You think you need a new one, or you think you can last for a while? Unfortunately, PaceBus 301, I looked online, doesn't look like it operates today, but look at that, there she is! The wonderful and also not so wonderful place called Goodwill. That's a lot of lawn chairs. My God. Makes sense though, this is a pretty big store and a pretty big chain of thrift stores. Everyone's dropping things too, what the frick? 2 keyboards and a nice pineapple Hawaiian shirt is the haul for today, that I'm gonna have to take back with me on my journey to Lombard and then back home on the UP and the Milwaukee district. Well, I got my keyboards in the bag and I got this nice Hawaiian shirt. Beautiful pink pineapple pina colada. Very nice. Well, no dice on the phone screen protector. Guess my phone screen will be broken until I replace my phone entirely, which will hopefully be next year. We'll see about that. Like, I get that this is a museum for the Punjabis, but why'd they make a Swiss cheese sculpture as the outside sculpture? It's not even a full slice. I don't get it. And I don't think it's open, so I can't go in there to look around. That's an interesting mural. Painting. I'm assuming it's like a painting company that is or was there. Neat. I like that. Look at that, another beautiful mural. Dream in Lilac. I enjoy that a lot. I think I will. Thank you for the advice. Well, I looked at the schedule. I got about 5 minutes to get to where I need to go, so no Dairy Queen for this guy. That's the only issue with riding Metra. I'm essentially constricted to their schedules, or not constricted, well, yeah, kinda, restricted to their schedules. And I gotta plan around that versus, oh, I can go in the car and I can drive to wherever I wanna go. Here's my knight in shining armor. They got a Pullman in the next look. I'm gonna try and get on the Pullman car if I can. Alright. Gotta walk up 2 streetcars to get to the Pullman.
I don't even get to stand right there. I feel like there's a lot of shit I've done with it.
This train is pretty much full. The only other seat that's open in this car is right there. But every other seat has someone or something in it. Absolutely insane. And the Pullman car is closed, so I couldn't go up there. But they might have to open it because it's so freaking busy in this train right now. Whoa, crap. That was the loudest freaking train I have ever been on. The exact opposite of the quiet car. Call that the loud car. But I got a half hour until my connection leaves, so I think I'm gonna stop, get a little bit of Panda, get another big old cup of water to go with that, take it with me, and go back north. Panda acquired, root beer acquired. Next thing to acquire is a seat on a Milwaukee District North Line train. The sign says 13, but well, nobody's home, so I have beat the knight in shining armor to its endpoint terminal destination, apparently.
And with less than 10 minutes to spare, here comes the knight in shining armor.
And away we go on a much quieter bi-level that I can really appreciate compared to the one I was on in UP West Line inbound. We made it. It took me 8.5 hours to do this. Plenty of walking, which is good. A lot of walking. Got 2 keyboards, got this Hawaiian shirt. I feel like I've accomplished some good things today. Kind of. However, it's not my birthday. If it is your birthday, happy birthday. And if it's not your birthday like mine, well, hope yours is soon. Mine is not, but you never know. I don't know when your birthday is. It could be tomorrow. It could be Thursday. It could be 2 days before you watch this video, which shit, happy belated birthday then. But anyways, I am the Willy Goat. Thank you for watching this fun adventurous video, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this episode of Transit Time, consider subscribing to Willy Goat for more train, transit, gaming, and other miscellaneous content. Thank you for riding with Willy Goat today. Goodbye.